Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds, and thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely wonderful Discovery Landmark edition that we have just brought into stock. So this particular vehicle is the SDV6 Landmark edition 3-litre diesel, finished in the Santorini Black metallic with a full black leather upholstery. As we can see from the images, the vehicle is presented absolutely wonderfully and the condition is fantastic in and out on this car. Of course, covered just 16,745 miles with a full Land Rover service history. To add to this, we also have a list of factory fitted optional extras totaling £4,895. Some of those are on the exterior, some on the interior. So what I'd like to do on this video is divide them up and take you through them to show you how that list unfolds. So starting off on the exterior, as mentioned, Santorini Black metallic. We also have the deployable side steps. So as we open the door, there we are, of course, driver and passenger, and within a few seconds of that door closing, they will retract, and if you press the unlock button multiple times on the key fob, they will come out beforehand as well. Now, a lovely feature, that one, and that one was a £3,200 factory option for the deployable side steps. We also have the Santorini Black metallic, which is an £850 factory option. The gloss black roof rails at £325. A fixed panoramic sunroof, which we'll see more of that on the interior when we head in there. We also have the reversing camera, front and rear sensors, the powered tailgate, and as we can see from the B pillar backwards, the factory fitted privacy glass, which certainly does tie all of that gloss black and the metallic black in perfectly. So let's head inside the vehicle. There's that list of wonderful equipment continues as we go inside. Right, so starting off with driver and passenger electric seating with heated seats. We also have the Ebony Morzine headlining, which is a £295 option, and as we can see from the image there, the fixed panoramic roof right into the very back of the vehicle, creating quite a nice bit of light for the inside of the car. There is an electric blind which covers all of that as well, should you wish. Now, we also have two 12-volt power sockets in the rear of the vehicle, which was £115 factory option, and Terrain Response 2, which is for off-road driving, which is £110 factory option. Now, to add to this, standard levels of equipment on this vehicle are absolutely huge, as well as those optional extras just mentioned. So we have features such as the Meridian sound, satellite navigation with Apple CarPlay. We have the digital instrument cluster, which can be customized for its content. We also have active lane keep assist, plus all of the features you'd fully expect, such as cruise control, automatic lights, auto dimming mirrors, rain sensitive wipers, etc. So finished absolutely wonderfully, and condition of this interior matches the exterior perfectly, and it is absolutely wonderful in and out. So thank you once again for your inquiry. I hope you find the video informative. If of course we've missed anything and you'd like some additional information, please do get in touch, but we will be in touch very shortly with the calculations. So thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.